Good morning, class. Miss Maymay, what's that on the wall? This is the manners badge, the cheerful badge, and the sharing badge. Once you get all three, you will be a sensible, good child.
We want to become sensible, good children.
Children, help them get their badges and together become sensible, good children. Rudolph has gone to play with his friends.
Hello, Rudolph.
Say hello to your friend.
Hello, Naughty. Hello, Rudolph. Hello, Whiskers. Hello, Rudolph. Hello, Momo. Hello, Mew Mew. Hello, Rudolph.
When you meet a friend, say hello.
Say it loud with me. Hello. I have some yummy cookies. Let's eat them together. Thank you. You're welcome.
When other children share their snacks with you, you must say, thank you.
Say it loud with me. Thank you. Mew Mew, let's play the ball game. Sorry. That's all right.
When you have done something wrong, say sorry.
Say it loud with me. Sorry. Mew Mew, goodbye. Rudolph, goodbye.
When you part with your friend, say goodbye.
Say it loud with me. Goodbye. Yay, I've earned the manners badge.
Polite children are just wonderful.
Mom is busy. She cannot play with me.
Rudolph is upset. Let us help him. First, wipe off the tears on his face. Then, let us take him to his mother.
Rudolph, Mommy loves you and your sister. It's just that your sister is younger and needs me to take care of her. Let's play with her together, okay? Make a bottle of milk for the little sister. Draw with the little sister. The little sister is tired and wants to sleep.
Yay, I have earned the cheerful badge.
Children, you and your little siblings are Mommy's best loves. Rudolph's brought some of his own toys. Mr. Duo wants to play too. What should we do? Bao wants to play too. What should we do? Mr. Duo wants to play too. What should we do?
Yay, I have earned the sharing badge.
If you have fun toys, you can play with them together with your friends.
I have earned all 3 badges and I am a sensible good child.